comes a long train. Now, did you count how many cars that was? If you counted how many cars that was, you're really bored. Just kidding. Yep, just on my way to work right now. Yep, just getting ready to go do some worky works, and yeah, that's about it. So, alright guys, bye. So Lisa and I are kind of bored, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. So we've decided, let's go take Luna for a walk. And get some more beer in the process. Because nothing else to do. Oh yeah, okay, fine. But yeah, we're taking Luna for a walk. Just for the hell of it. Why not? Yep.
1 o'clock in the morning?
1 o'clock in the morning. We're bored. Very bored.
And our feet are cold.
And our feet are cold. Well, that's because you're wearing flip-flops, Miss Californian.
That's what you do in California.
California. You guys can't even see us. Oh well. You get to listen. So, alright. The streets are dead. Usually the street is really busy in the day. Not right now. Not busy at all. Oh, there's one lone car. One lone car. And Luna. Good job. Yep. Yep.
No, come on. 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20.
Hey, 20 worked. It's also called patience. Yep. Hey, is it already turned? That's not fair. That's not fair. Don't hit me! She's sitting waiting, so patient for her mom. Where's mom? Where's mom? Where's mom? Is she in there? Where's mom? Here comes mom. Look it. Here comes mom. Mom! Hi, mom!
I guess the biggins.
Biggins?
That's all I can find.
Hi, mom. Hey, Lenny.
Lenny. Hi, Bubby. I didn't get you anything. High five?
Alright, let's go home. Let's go home. It's time to gas you up first, though. Gas her up.
Where do I put it?
I think you know where to put it. Guessing with the dog. Hey! You gonna do that super awesome jump?
Super awesome jump.
Off of here? Hold on, let me get down there first.
Wait. Ready now? Come on. Hey, jump!
Woo!
You press it 20 times.
I know I didn't.
You're supposed to press it 20 times.
20 times. 20 times 1. Woo! Yeah, we're pretty boring, huh? What?
Just telling you when to wait.
Oh.